Starting an LLC for day trading and forex trading can offer a range of benefits for traders. In this video, we will explore those benefits and provide a detailed step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC for day trading and forex trading. 1. Limited liability protection. One of the most significant benefits of starting an LLC for day trading and forex trading is limited liability protection. As an LLC, the business is considered a separate legal entity from the owner, which means that the owner's personal assets are protected from any liability incurred by the LLC. This is particularly important for day traders and forex traders, who can face significant financial risks due to the volatility of the markets. By starting an LLC, traders can protect their personal assets from any legal claims or debts incurred by the business. 2. Tax benefits. Another significant advantage of starting an LLC for day trading and forex trading is the potential tax benefits. LLCs are considered pass-through entities, which means that the business's profits and losses are reported on the owner's personal tax return. This can result in significant tax savings for traders, as they may be able to deduct business expenses and losses from their personal income. Additionally, LLCs have the flexibility to choose how they are taxed, allowing traders to optimize their tax strategy based on their individual circumstances. 3. Credibility and professionalism. Starting an LLC can also lend credibility and professionalism to a day trading or forex trading business. This is particularly important for traders who work with clients or investors, as an LLC can provide a sense of legitimacy and trust. Having an LLC also allows traders to establish a professional business structure, including a formal business name, bank account, and registration with local and state authorities. 4. Separation of personal and business finances. Starting an LLC can also help traders separate their personal and business finances. This can make it easier to track business expenses, file taxes, and manage cash flow. By keeping personal and business finances separate, traders can also avoid any legal or financial consequences that may arise from commingling funds. 5. Easier access to financing. Finally, starting an LLC can make it easier to access financing for day trading and forex trading activities. This is because banks and other financial institutions often prefer to lend to businesses rather than individuals. By establishing an LLC, traders can demonstrate their commitment to their business and their ability to manage financial responsibilities, making them more attractive to lenders. Now that we have explored the benefits of starting an LLC for day trading and forex trading, let's look at the steps involved in setting up an LLC. Step 1. Choose a name. The first step in starting an LLC for day trading and forex trading is to choose a name for the business. The name should be unique and not already in use by another business in the state. Traders should also ensure that the name is available as a domain name, as having a matching domain can help establish the business's online presence. Step 2. File articles of organization. The next step is to file articles of organization with the state. This is a legal document that establishes the LLC as a legal entity in the state. Traders should consult the state's Secretary of State website to find the appropriate forms and filing requirements for their state. Step 3. Choose a registered agent. An LLC must have a registered agent, who is responsible for receiving legal and tax documents on behalf of the business. Traders can either act as their own registered agent or hire a professional service. If the trader chooses to act as their own registered agent, they must have a physical address in the state where the LLC is registered. Step 4. Obtain an EIN. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS to identify a business for tax purposes. Traders will need to obtain an EIN for their LLC, which they can do online through the IRS website. Step 5. Draft an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a legal document that outlines the LLC's ownership structure, management responsibilities, and operating procedures. While not required by all states, It is recommended that traders draft an operating agreement to establish the rules and expectations for their business. Step 6. Register for state and local taxes. Traders will need to register their LLC with state and local tax authorities to obtain any necessary licenses and permits. Depending on the state and the type of trading activity, traders may need to register for sales tax, business licenses, and other permits. Step 7. Open a bank account. Once the LLC is established, traders should open a separate bank account for their business. This will help keep personal and business finances separate and make it easier to manage cash flow and track business expenses. Step 8. Obtain business insurance. While not required by law, it is recommended that traders obtain business insurance to protect their LLC from any potential risks or liabilities. In conclusion, starting an LLC for day trading and forex trading can offer significant benefits, including limited liability protection, tax benefits, credibility and professionalism, separation of personal and business finances, and easier access to financing. By following the steps outlined above, traders can establish a legal and professional business structure that will help them succeed in the competitive world of day trading and forex trading. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. InkFile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through InkFile. InkFile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. InkFile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. InkFile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. InkFile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the InkFile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because InkFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. InkFile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.